Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to send WhatsApp message without saving the WhatsApp number. Follow these easy steps to do it, and the steps will be similar for Androids and iPhones. First of all, make sure to update your WhatsApp app, and then go ahead and launch your WhatsApp app, and then tap on this add or new chat icon, and at the top of the chat list you will see yourself. So all you have to need, open your conversation, and in your conversation you have to type the WhatsApp number whom you want to send message without saving the number. So all you have to need, right here the WhatsApp number, and just send the number in your conversation. Now tap on the number, and here you can see this phone number is on WhatsApp. Now from here you can easily make a call to the number, and to chat with the number without saving the number, just tap on chat with, and you will directly jump into the chat or conversation. Now on, you can easily chat with the contact without saving their number. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.